Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a Binance account in the US. First, visit the official Binance US website or download their mobile application. You'll need to provide an email address and create a strong password. Make sure to use a unique password for security. After this initial step, you'll receive a verification email to confirm your address and proceed with the setup process. Next, you'll need to complete identity verification, also known as KYC or Know Your Customer. This is a crucial step for security and compliance. You'll be asked to upload a clear photo of your government-issued ID, like a driver's license or passport. Additionally, you'll need to provide proof of address, such as a recent utility bill or bank statement. This process usually takes a few minutes to complete. Once your identity is verified, it's essential to secure your account. I highly recommend enabling two-factor authentication, or 2FA, right away. This adds an extra layer of protection, often using an authenticator app or SMS. Also, ensure you're using a strong, unique password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols. Regularly review your security settings to keep your account safe from unauthorized access. With your account secured, you're ready to fund it. You can link your bank account via ACH or use a debit card for instant deposits. Explore the various deposit methods available to find what works best for you. Remember to start with an amount you're comfortable with. For those looking to deepen their financial understanding, check the description for a link to a highly recommended book and other valuable deals. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.